DigiLocker is a cloud-based online repository where you can save and authenticate important documents such as your driving license,
पासपोर्ट से लेके ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस तक और कार रजिस्ट्रेशन से लेके जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके हैं वो सारे के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं.
A significant medium for the government and enable it to send you e-documents in a secure, safe way.
स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी है जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने दी हुई है और वो आपके सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑनलाइन कर देता है.
The need of the hour is an online document sharing system that is authorized by the government.
In spite of having 35 million users, most people did not understand what DigiLocker app was supposed to do, even after installing it. In this video, we'll show you how we worked with the DigiLocker team to redesign the entire product in a matter of 10 days using design sprints. At Parallel, we strongly believe getting started is more important than being right. In a product with 35 million users, the first thing that might come to most people's mind is that we need to really understand users. We need to spend a lot of time trying to do research on that. The idea of doing rapid experiments and taking it to real users to learn from them is something that we believe more than doing months of research. The first thing that we did is spoke to all key stakeholders and tried to understand what are the key problems that users are facing. It was very interesting to note that three things really stood out. The first thing, most people confuse DigiLocker for an app to store documents. The second thing that we realized is onboarding was broken. People were really struggling to go from signing up on the product to getting their first document. And the third thing that really stood out was people thought DigiLocker is only for ID cards and not for many other things. Now let's look at how do we solve this problem. The first thing that we do is run an alignment workshop with the team, which strikes at the root of the problem most companies struggle with. It starts bringing the entire team together on the biggest problems that the product is facing and then convert them into something we call how might we statements, which are a prioritized set of opportunities for us to solve in the product, which actually work as a guiding thought for us throughout the sprint. At the end of the session, we have a very clear set of problems to focus on. We have sprint questions that we use to run user tests with, and we have mapped all the challenges on the user journey that will help us start focusing on areas where there is a maximum problem. Now, when we have a very clear set of problem statements to focus on and the entire team is aligned on that, we start working on solving them. The idea is to come up with as many solutions as possible which cater to the specific problems that we have aligned on. At Parallel, we believe that everybody is a designer. In a design sprint, we make everybody, right from the management to people who are developing the software, to people who are working on the customer support, to be part of the team which is actually coming up with solutions. They're obviously freaked out when they hear that they have to sketch and come up with new solutions. But by making the process fun and engaging, we slowly ease them into the process of coming up with solutions and creating sketches. And what we've seen in almost every design sprint, including this one, some of the best solutions always come from people who are not designers by profession. On the second day, the idea was to look at all the solutions that have come up and converge on the ideas that we wanted to take forward and create the final prototype for the DigiLocker app. We do this by creating an art gallery where all the sketches are spread out and people can slowly move around the room and look at them. And in multiple rounds of prioritization by note and vote, we end up aligning with the key ideas that the entire team believes in and wants to prototype and test them with real users. After this, we take these ideas and create a really detailed storyboard which has all the details that will be used in creating a prototype. On the third day, the product team went away and our team worked on creating the prototype from the storyboard. In one day, we went from those sketches and storyboard that you saw to creating this really high fidelity prototype that will be tested the next day with the users.
We are just testing the design in this process. We are not testing you, so feel free to play around with the design.
On day 4, we took the prototypes to actual users and started seeing how they're interacting with what we have just created this week. The idea of this testing is to not just figure out where the problem is, but why is the problem? Why are people reacting in a certain way? And use those insights to make the product better after that. So in 1 week, we went from having broad product problems and challenges to creating a high fidelity prototype and then testing that with real users. What happens typically is some things work really well.
What I'm making out from the screen that my Aadhaar and driving license has been uploaded and PAN license is yet to be uploaded.
and there are some things that don't work so well.
Does it get stored on its own, or do I have to save it? How does it work?
Okay, so far it isn't clear to you.
Which is why we have an iteration week where the idea was to make the prototype even better using the insights that we gathered from the first week. We did that by doing another half-day workshop with the core stakeholders. The only difference was this time we did it remote using Miro. On the 7th and 8th day, the team again went back and created a completely new prototype. This time it was more polished, had more details, and we tried to solve everything that did not work out in the previous week. On day 9, we tested the product again with 5 users. The idea behind this round of testing was to gain more confidence that we have really nailed the product and solve all the problems. And on 10th day, we were ready to start building a new DigiLocker app. So this is how we went from discovering a set of open problems that the product has to revamping the entire product experience in a matter of 10 days using design sprints.